Put the CPU or Central Processing Unit on the socket and secure it by putting down the metal rod. Attach the CPU fan on the motherboard and secure it using a flat screwdriver. Look for the memory slots on the motherboard, place the RAM, and secure it by pulling up the tabs on both sides of the slot. Lift the computer case and place it on the table. Put the CD or DVD drive on the computer case and secure it by screwing the screws. Lift the motherboard, make sure that you handle it with care and screw the motherboard on the computer case carefully. Get the HDD or hard disk drive and secure it by taking the screws and screwing it. Attach the power supply and secure it with the screws. Get the front panel and attach it. Plug the cables that needs to be connected and make sure that all the devices should be connected to the power supply, motherboard, and the device. Put the GPU or the graphics processing unit and secure it using the screws. Get the side panel and attach it to the computer case, and you're done.